good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mayuri Malankar. I'll be your moderator for this eventful morning. Ladies and gentlemen, we are really happy and pleased to have you all here today, this morning, to celebrate this joyous and significant milestone. Well, it's very important and a significant and a historical day for Anmol India Limited, as it's migrating from BSE SME platform to BSE and NSE main board. Ladies and gentlemen, we are really thankful to you all for joining us today. It said, that today is, you have to remember today's day with the gratitude. You have to live in this present moment and enjoy this beautiful moment with enthusiasm. And we have to look forward with hope and, a lot of confidence. Anmol India Limited is one of the biggest coal trading houses in North India, dealing in huge quantity of USA coal and Indonesian coal. The company has started in 1998 supplying Indian Meghalayan coal from Guwahati to entire North Indian market. Well, the founder and managing director, Mr. Vijay Goyal, has been in this business since 1985. Steadily, the company has grown leaps and bounds, and today it has become the one of the renowned coal industry, the name in the coal industry. The company started with the Meghalaya coal and then in 2000 started procuring coal from Coal India Limited. Almost all the members of the promoter family are involved in this business in full force. Tilak ji, Vijay ji, his wife, Neelam ji, all are involved in this business in various capacities. And now the younger generation, Sahil ji, Chakshu ji, and his wife, CA Prerna Goyal ma'am, are also fully dedicated towards this business. Well, today on this momentous occasion, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all our management team. And to begin with, I would like to have on the screen our Executive Director and Promoter of Anmol India Limited, Mr. Chakshu Goyal. Hello, sir. Very warm welcome. Good morning. So you're on mute. We can't hear you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. And good morning to everyone present on the panel and off the panel.
Moving ahead, let's welcome CFO and Managing Director and Promoter of Anmol India Limited, Mr. Vijay Goyal. Namaste, sir. Good morning. Very warm welcome to you. Moving ahead, Director of Anmol India Limited, Mr. Tilak Raj. Sir, good morning. Very warm welcome to you.
Good morning. Welcome.
A very good morning, Tilak sir.
Anji, good morning.
Well, friends, on this auspicious occasion, on this special occasion, we have various dignitaries who have joined us this morning. Let me welcome them as well. Managing Director and CEO of BSE, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Sir, very warm welcome to you. Good morning. We have amongst us Managing Director of South and South Asia, Excool Energy and Resources, Mr. Sujogya Kumar Dash. Sir, good morning. Very warm welcome.
Thank you very much. Good morning to everyone. I'm delighted to be here.
Friends, let's welcome Head of SME and Startups BSE, Mr. Ajay Thakur. Sir, good morning. Very warm welcome to you as well.
Good morning. It's really pleasure to be here.
Well, moving ahead, let's join me in welcoming Senior Manager of Swiss Singapore India Private Limited, Aditya Birla Group of Companies, Nitin Rohila. Nitin, sir, very warm welcome to you.
Good morning everyone. It's a pleasure to be a part of the journey.
All right, we have with us Chief Operating Officer of Capital Small Finance Bank, Mr. Munish Jain. Sir, welcome.
Good morning and pleasure to be here.
So we have with us Chief Trading Operation and Listing Sales, BSE, Mr. Girish Joshi.
Good morning, everybody. Pleasure to be here on this auspicious occasion of listing ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would also like to extend a warm welcome to Deputy Vice President and Territory Sales Head, Retail Trade and Forex Services, HDFC Bank Limited, Mr. Munish Goyal. Mr. Manish Goyal, a very, very warm welcome to you.
Yeah, we can move ahead. Maybe.
Let's welcome promoter of Share India Securities Limited, Mr. Yashpal Gupta. Yashpal, sir, very, very warm welcome to you. Hello, sir. Good morning. Let's welcome the chairman of Share India Securities Limited, Mr. Praveen Gupta. Praveen, sir, good morning. Warm welcome to you.
Good morning, everybody.
Let's welcome Managing Director of Share India Securities Limited, Mr. Kamlesh Shah. Kamlesh, sir, good morning. Warm welcome.
Good morning to all panel members and all the esteemed guests. Pleasure to be here.
Let's welcome CEO of Share India Securities Limited, Mr. Sachin Gupta.
Yeah, we can move ahead. Maybe.
Connected nahi hai.
All right, moving ahead, let's welcome President of Share India Securities Limited, Mr. Abhinav Gupta.
Yeah, good morning to everybody. Pleasure to be here. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Pleasure to be here.
And with this, I would like to also welcome all our colleagues from Anmol India Limited and our investors, our media, and the wonderful viewers. Thank you once again for joining us today and being a part of this wonderful event. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now let's commence this listing ceremony event by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Truly, the prayers have something amazing and some positive powers. And with this lamp lighting, we all hope that our prayers reach the Almighty and give us the strength to be the best and be the winners always. Well, without further ado, let me invite to address the gathering Mr. Chakshu Goyal, Executive Director and Promoter of Anmol India. Well, he is the Executive Director and Promoter, an MBA from Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. He has been in this business since 2014 and has been responsible for integrating technology to drive the business further. Well, sir, very, very warm welcome to you. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Shri Ashish Chauhan sir and all the distinguished guests on and off the panel. First off, I would like to thank the entire BSE team, especially Ashish Chauhan sir, for the run-up to this memorable listing ceremony. This is a big milestone for the company and could not have been possible without the immense support and blessings of all our well-wishers. When we got listed on BSE SME in 2019, we never imagined that within a span of 2 years, we would get listed on the main board BSE. This is an achievement which will be cherished forever. Our BSE SME IPO, led by Shri Ajay Thakurji, has benefited the company. The funds infused helped us make our balance sheet stronger in a very short period of time. A stronger balance sheet helped us secure better funding from our banks. Here, I would like to thank Munish ji from Capital Bank and Munish Goyal ji from HDFC Bank for their continued support. Better funding from bank and IPO fundraising helped us procure even more coal from global suppliers like Xcoal and Swiss Singapore and various other companies and helped us achieve better profitability. Overall, profit after tax has increased 86% annually since the IPO, which is a big achievement. If I look back at the 10 years journey of Anmol India Limited, the company has always focused on achieving end-to-end supply chain management in the best way possible. We are proud to say that we are one of the very few companies who have been able to achieve this. From procuring coal from overseas in the quantum of 1 lakh tons per shipment to delivering that coal to factories of the end users in the quantum of 35 tons per cargo, Anmol India does it all. Anmol India Limited is one of the very few companies which uses new age technologies to optimize the supply chain. Going forward, technology will play a vital role in the growth of the company and help shape the supply chain even better. Here, I would like to mention that our current feat would not have been possible without the support of Mr. Sujogya Das from Excol and Mr. Nitin Rohilla from Singapore. We take this opportunity to thank our investors and shareholders who have placed their trust in us. A big thank you to all the participants who have taken out time so early in the morning to attend this ceremony. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. And I would like to quickly call upon Mr. Kamlesh Shah, Managing Director of Share India, to address the gathering.
Yeah, a very good morning to one and all present over here. Our chief guest of today's event, Sri Ashish Bhai, esteemed panel members and dear guests. It is my pleasure to see you all attending this event so early in the morning. I would like to thank the entire team of BSE and NSE for granting approval to Anmol India for migration to the main board of 2 premier exchanges of India. It will have a distinct honor of being first company to be migrated to the main board simultaneously. We feel proud to be associated with Anmol India from the beginning of the journey as a merchant banker. Today, we are happy to see Anmol India getting migrated to the main board at the earliest possible opportunity. BSE has played key role of handholding and value creation. Listing on SME platform with market capitalization of around 33 crore. Today, in a span of 2.5 years, it has developed into market capitalization of 200 crore. This is what I mean when we speak about the value creation. More than 6 times in such a short period of time.
And with this, sir, we are very close to the gong. I think we can continue.
I understand, I welcome all the guests once again, and I thank you for the opportunity given to me to express my thoughts. Thank you.
And with this, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank Kamlesh sir. And with this, the very important and historical moment for Anmol India Limited has arrived. Finally, it will see itself on the main board of both the exchanges. And with this, let's begin the countdown. Congratulations to all the stakeholders. Congratulations to the Anmol India Limited. Let's give a huge round of applause as it has migrated from BSE SME platform to BSE and NSE main board. Congratulations. And you can see the live figures on the screen. Well, it has crossed 177. The figure 177 has been crossed. And with this, I'm so happy and so glad to announce that Anmol India has achieved the market capitalization of 200 crore rupees. Come on, everyone, let's give them a huge round of applause. This is a big achievement. It's a big milestone. And they deserve a huge round of applause. Congratulations once again. Congratulations to team. Congratulations to Anmol India Limited. Well, this has been a beautiful and a wonderful and a historical moment. It's said that it's always, we have to see the positive side of everything in this pandemic situation. We are doing this positive work with the help of BSE. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. And today we have the esteemed gathering of dignitaries, and I can see in the chat box, everyone is showering Anmol India with lots of best wishes. Once again, congratulations. Well, we have the esteemed gathering of dignitaries, present today to wish us to be a part of this amazing event. I would like to invite them with a great honor. May I please invite Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO of BSE on the screen. So welcome, very, very warm welcome.
Before I begin, I want to extend our deepest gratitude to all those who are once again on the front line battling this health crisis, including doctors, officials from the government of India, the state governments, the local BMC, police. Our words are few, but heartful. The same goes to our colleagues at BSE, whose tireless commitment ensured that the exchange was fully functional and ensured uninterrupted business continuity for market participants. I would also like to thank all our members for ensuring that BSE continues its journey in the interest of the investors. I am extremely proud of the entire BSE team, including its members and all their staff, which has worked tirelessly with resolve and grit to overcome the situations. On this note, welcome to this listing ceremony on this morning. It gives me great pleasure to welcome Anmol India to the main board of BSE. Anmol India is 103rd company out of 337 companies listed on BSE SME to get migrated from SME to main board. The BSE SME platform has offered recognition and avenues for growth to all the companies listed, which is seen from the journey of Anmol India. Anmol India got listed on our SME platform on 21st February 2019 with an issue size of rupees 10.23 crore. And in about 2 years, the company has now migrated to the main board of BSE, and today it has reached a great milestone of 200 crore market capitalization. I think it is just the beginning. This is clearly a reflection of best practices by the company, not only in terms of financial performance, but also in terms of compliance, corporate governance, and gaining public trust. The main board of BSE is home to the most prominent companies in India, and I'm sure Anmol India is a worthy addition to this list. BSE has played a vital role in developing the Indian capital markets. It is Asia's first exchange, India's first universal exchange to offer trading in all asset classes, and the fastest stock exchange in the world with a speed of 6 microseconds. It provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equities, debt, currencies, commodities, interest rate derivatives, mutual funds, stock lending, borrowing, and many things. BSE puts forward a strong, robust platform for investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. We look forward to a long and fruitful relationship with Anmol India in the years to come. I would like to also congratulate Share India and everyone associated with this transformation. Also, I would once again like to send my best wishes to the company and welcome them on the main board of BSE. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your best wishes. Well, now I would like to invite Mr. Surya Dash, Managing Director of South and South Asia Excool Energy and Resources. He's a kinetic leader and has demonstrated a pyramid growth into his career and worked in the industrial core sectors like oil and gas, metal and mining, cement and energy sectors. He is a mechanical engineer from NIIT, Silchar, and an MBA from AIM, Philippines. Well, he has over 1.5 decades of international multifunction experiences. And a mantra of Surya, we know from our interactions, is to stay simple, transparent, and remain effective. Well, sir, very, very warm welcome to you. Aapka bahut bahut swagat hai.
Thank you once again, and let me begin by expressing my congratulations to Vijay ji, to Mr. Chakshu Goyal, and the entire Anmol India team for a spectacular achievement. I think the event of today speaks volumes about Vijay ji's leadership in transforming the company and taking it on a journey which has got many more milestones to come. As Excool Energy and Resources, we are absolutely delighted with the association that we have had with Anmol India. We have our deepest regards and best wishes for the company as it goes from strength to strength. In terms of the potential or the chosen area where Anmol India is focusing, I think, as we all know, coal is going to play a very key role in the energy mix of India. And while we see a significant increase in the production and consumption of domestic coal, certain high-grade coals, like the ones which are being imported from the United States, will have a significant role in the overall energy mix. And hence, I think Anmol India has got great prospects. I think given the leadership, the management talent and vision that has been demonstrated by the company, and its leadership team. I can only expect to see many more great achievements as the company embarks on its new journey on the main stock exchange. I think as Excol, we continue to look forward to strengthening our association with Anmol India. And once again, I would like to say that my heartiest congratulations to the entire team. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. Let's move ahead. Now I would like to invite Mr. Nitin Rohila, Senior Manager of Swiss Singapore India Private Limited, Aditya Birla Group Company. Well, he has a cold trading experience of more than a decade. So very warm welcome to you. आपका बहुत स्वागत है.
Thank you so much. Good morning to everyone. First of all, on behalf of the entire team of Swiss Singapore, I wish Vijay and the entire team of Anmol India congratulations. It's been a good association with Anmol India. I wish them a success ahead. I mean, just in a span of 2 years, achieving such a milestone of 200 crore. I mean, it's a big achievement, and we expect many more milestones to be achieved by Anmol India. The passion which Vijay brings to the company, it's immense. It shows immense hard work of Mr. Vijay and the entire team. I remember Vijay, I think it's almost 3 or 4 years of journey. It's a short journey, but we are expecting Anmol India to have a long journey ahead. It's been a pleasure working with Anmol India. From the entire team, we wish a success ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Well, moving ahead, now I would like to invite CFO, Managing Director and a promoter of Anmol India Limited, जिनके बारे में हमने अब तक बहुत सुना है. So very warm welcome to you, Mr. Vijay Goel ji. Sir, you are on mute. Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. सबको नमस्कार. मैं जहां सबको नमस्कार. मैं जहां आए सभी गेस्ट को स्वागत करता हूं. सबसे पहले श्री चौहान जी का शुक्रिया करता हूं. उनके बिना ये उपलब्धि मुश्किल थी. साथ ही मैं श्री अजय ठाकुर जी का और गिरीश जी का धन्यवाद करता हूं. मैं जहां आए दोनों कोल जगत के दिग्गज एक्स कोल से श्री योग्य कुमार दास जी और स्विस सिंगापुर से नितिन रोहला जी का धन्यवाद करता हूं. मैं मोगा पंजाब के बहुत ही साधारण परिवार से हूं और मुझे काम करते 40 साल हो गए हैं. शुरुआत में पूंजी सीमित थी, चुनौतियां कई सारी थी. ईमानदारी से काम करते गए, धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ते गए. फिर जब बैंकर से जुड़े तो उनके साथ आगे बढ़े और आज इस मुकाम पर पहुंचे. हमने कारोबार आगे बढ़ाने के लिए नई टेक्नोलॉजी का खूब इस्तेमाल किया. बदलते वक्त के साथ अपने आप को बदला. आज हम BSE मेन बोर्ड पर आ गए हैं. ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है. ये हमारी ईमानदारी और लगन का नतीजा है कि हम जहां तक पहुंच पाए हैं. ये नतीजा है हमारे ग्राहकों, शेयर होल्डरों, इन्वेस्टरों और बैंकर के हम पर भरोसे का. पीछे मुड़कर देखता हूं तो हमने जहां पहुंचने के लिए बहुत लंबा और कठिन सफर तय किया है, पर हम यहाँ रुकने वाले नहीं हैं. मैं यकीन दिलाता हूं कि आगे बढ़ते हुए हम कड़ी मेहनत करेंगे और इस कंपनी की नई ऊंचाइयों पर लेकर जाएंगे. धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, Vijay ji. Thanks a lot. आपका एक्सपीरियंस काफी बड़ा है. आपका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही कीमती है और आपके आपसे आज सुनना ये बहुत ही हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट बात है. Thank you so much, sir. Wish you all the very best. And with this, let's move ahead. I would like to invite Mr. Manish Jain, CEO, Capital Small Finance Bank.
And good morning, my dear friends. Firstly, I like to, and I hope you and your loved ones are safe in the present COVID environment. It's indeed a pleasure to connect through this digital media on this special eve of the listing of the Anmol India on the BSE and NSE main board. It's just like a dream run for any of the company. And my sincere congrats to Goel Saab, and his whole team to achieve this and achieve it very swiftly. I, as a banker, is associated with this group, or rather, we as a banker are associated with this group for more than 2 decades now. The journey, and we have seen them very closely. I'm starting from a very humble way and taking this particular growth further. I personally seen this account very closely over last 2 decades. What I observed over the last 2 decades, that this company is growing out of all adversity with a more strength. As per my assessment, this is consequent or outcome of the 3 major reasons which I observed about this particular group. First one is, I always find this group to be full of honesty, which Mr. Vijay said, imandari. I really say very, very fair in their dealing, and we really appreciate the fairness. Just when we are talking about the commercial component, we do have a difference of thoughts, but that's a different point. But it's a very fairness of the organization, which we like to the core. Another aspect which I assess about this organization is the prudence, that their deep understanding and their commitment to change as per the time, rather than they change themselves very quickly. If they started their journey in one path, and they keep on observing and finding out the new opportunities and keep on grabbing that opportunities. And another thing which I view this organization is the visionary approach. Vision to see beyond what is quite just in front of us. And all these 3 things put together make this company to this present level. And now it made us believe that nothing can stop this company to grow. And I have a very good regards for this company. And once again, my sincere gratitude to whole of this team, led by Mr. Vijay Goyalji and Chakshu Goyal, to take this company to the next level. And at the end, I like to wish and pray that the present COVID scenario settle down quickly, and we as a human race start living our normal life. So I'm always very optimistic. I'm from an optimistic lot. I always believe human race has always overcome all the crises in the history with a lot of determination. And that make me believe that we as a country will come out of this particular difficult time with a more strength, with the enhanced strength. With this, I just put a rest to my thoughts, and congratulations again to Mr. Goyal and his whole team. Thanks a lot for inviting me for this event. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your best wishes. Moving ahead, I would like to invite Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Trading Operations and Listing Sales, BSE. So very, very warm welcome to you.
Good morning, everybody. Congratulations to Anmol India management family, Sri Vijay Goyalji, Chakshu Goyalji, and the entire team. Sir, it's a fantastic achievement. Within 2 years, you migrated and market capitalization touched 200 crores. As our MD said, this is 103rd company which has migrated to main board. And once you go to the main board, you always aspirations from the shareholders are different, because governance standard expectations are also quite different. And that's, I'm very much sure, as Munish ji recently just now said, prudence is very important, and which has been shown by this management. And even Vijay ji also said technology, and he has used the technology, though he can candidly admitted, no, he has come from small town in Punjab, but how he has transformed the company. So, and I'm sure technology is going to help the company to achieve new heights. And even commitment is already been expressed by other colleagues also, bankers also said. This expectation would be expected more from the shareholder, and I'm sure company will meet those standards which are expected from main board company, and will achieve great heights. I wish all the success and all the best to Sri Vijay Goyalji and entire family or management of Anmol India. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. And let's move ahead. Now I would like to invite Deputy Vice President and Territory Sales Head, Retail Trader and Forex Services, HDFC Bank, Mr. Manish Goyal. So very, very warm welcome to you. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yes, I think there is some problem with the microphone of Munish, sir.
Okay. So we have with us Mr. Manish Goyal, Deputy Vice President and Territory Sales Head, Retail Trader and Forex Services, HDFC Bank. Sir.
Sir, on the bottom left of your screen, you can see a small up arrow next to mute icon. Click on it. There you can see select a microphone option. Just try to select a different microphone and speak something. No, sir, you are not audible. Okay. By the time sir is arranging his microphone, we can move to the next panelist.
All right. So we'll be having sir back after some time, but now I would like to invite Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME Segment BSE. So very, very warm welcome to you. Good morning.
Thank you, respected Vijay ji, Chakshu ji, Ashish ji, Kamlesh ji, Girish ji, Praveen ji. It's really a pleasure to be here. I still remember 3 years back in 2018 when I was doing a seminar in Ludhiana along with Sachin. Mr. Vijay Goyal has come to meet me and we have deliberated and discussed about listing. And that point of time only he has assured me that, sir, we are going to have a remarkable journey in the years to come and we are going to get listed. And after 6 months, he got his company listed. And I just saw the performance of the company. What a remarkable journey. You know, 250 crores turnover in 2018 with 2.62 crores of profit. And today the company is almost, I think, 700 crores turnover with 10 crores profit. Almost 4 times jump in the profit. You know, we keep on talking about the market capitalization, but at the same time, you know, when we see the company really performing where the profit grows 4 times, and that also even the COVID period, we have seen that the same, you know, same business happening. And one very important aspect of any transformation of the company is the employment creation. As Ashish ji has said, that, you know, BSE has long been the temple of wealth creation. We are seeing that by starting the SME platform. We have also helped in transforming so many companies whereby they had grown from a small company to large corporates. And, you know, with the market capitalization crossing 200 crores, it also takes a lot of easier. So today, of course, this company has migrated to the mean of the stock exchange and declaring that, yes, we are here, we are ready to become large corporates. And you have already declared your vision. You have taken the business from yourself and almost, you know, transpired the best practices that have talked to the new generation in the form of Chakshu Goyal. And what a coincidence. Share India just got 1 year back or around 7-8 months back in 2018 got listed. And it has moved from almost 100 crore market capitalization to 500 crores market capitalization. And you have moved from 34 crores market capitalization to almost 200 crores market capitalization. So in last 6-7 months, BSE SME platform has added 10,000 crores in the market capitalization. And I'm quite sure that you are going to be a part of this. I'm quite sure that with the help of you people and BSE in the leadership of Sri Ashish Chauhan ji is going to create huge market capitalization, wealth generation, employment, and help India to grow to $5 trillion economy. With these words, thanks a lot to Vijay Chakshu ji. Wish you all the best in your future endeavor. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I would like to invite Mr. Praveen Gupta, Chairman, Share India Securities Limited. Hello, sir. Good morning. I can't hear you, sir.
Sir, please unmute your microphone.
नमस्कार, मैं आप सभी का अनमोल इंडिया लिमिटेड की लिस्टिंग मेन बोर्ड में लिस्टिंग के लिए आने के लिए स्वागत करता हूं और स्पेशली श्री आशीष चौहान जी का, जिन्होंने अपना कीमती समय निकालकर यहां आकर हमारा मान बढ़ाया। और दूसरा, मैं अजय ठाकुर जी का भी धन्यवाद करता हूं, जिन्होंने हमारी इसकी एसएमई प्लेटफॉर्म पर सबसे पहले लिस्टिंग करने में शुरुआत की। और ये कंपनी हमने 1985 में शुरू की थी। कोले का इसमें हम व्यापार करते हैं और ये सारा आज तक की जर्नी मिस्टर विजय गोयल की मेहनत का नतीजा है जो हम आज यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं। और मैं आगे भी इनके अपनी बेस्ट विशेस देता हूँ, आगे भी खूब तरक्की करें और आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. So we are left with Mr. Manish Goyal. Is he able to connect the microphone? Hi, sir.
Can you do a sound check? No, I think the problem is not yet resolved. Okay. Thank you. We know, sir, your wishes are with us. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
So should we move ahead? All right. So to present the vote of thanks now, I would like to invite Tilak Raj. He's the director of the company. Sir, very, very warm welcome to you.
धन्यवाद मैम जी। यहाँ पर आए सभी अतिथिगण को मेरा नमस्कार और धन्यवाद। सबसे पहले मैं माननीय श्री आशीष चौहान जी का धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा, जिन्होंने हमें बीएसई से जुड़ने का अवसर दिया। अब हम मेन बोर्ड पर लिस्ट हो गए हैं। मैं सहयोगिया जी और एक्सकोल का भी बहुत आभारी हूं। मैं नितिन जी और स्विस सिंगापुर का भी तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा। जहां एक्सकोल ने हमें इंपोर्टेड कोल के क्षेत्र में चलना सिखाया, वहीं स्विस सिंगापुर ने हमें दौड़ना सिखाया। इस सफलता में हमारे साथ जुड़े बैंकों का भी संपूर्ण योगदान है। मैं कैपिटल स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक से लगभग पिछले 20 सालों से जुड़ा हुआ हूं और हमेशा हमारा साथ देने के लिए मैं मनीष जैन जी का धन्यवाद करता हूं। मैं HDFC बैंक और मनीष गोयल जी और यस बैंक का भी तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं। इस सफलता का श्रेय अनमोल इंडिया लिमिटेड में काम करने वाले हर कर्मचारी को भी जाता है। मैं अपने सभी ग्राहकों का भी धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने अनमोल को बाजार में एक खास जगह बनाने में योगदान दिया। मैं हमारे सारे शेयर होल्डरों का धन्यवाद करता हूं और यकीन दिलाता हूं कि हम और मेहनत से काम करेंगे ताकि सभी शेयर होल्डरों की उम्मीदों पर खरे उतर सके। मैं शेयर इंडिया लिमिटेड का भी खूब आभारी हूं। ये सफलता उनके मार्गदर्शन के बिना असंभव थी। अंत में यही कहूंगा कि 2019 में श्री अजय ठाकर जी के मार्गदर्शन से हम BSE SME से जुड़े हैं। उनके सहयोग से आज हम जहां पहुंच गए हैं और हमें पूरी आशा है कि अब आशीष जी और अजय जी के मार्गदर्शन में हम नई ऊंचाइयों को हासिल करेंगे। हमारे साथ जूम मीटिंग पर जुड़ने और अपना कीमती समय देने के लिए आप सबका तहे दिल से आभारी हूं और धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this concluding remarks. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to an end of this event. Towards the end of this event, Anmol India is now listed on the main board of BSE and NSE, and along with that, it has achieved the market capitalization of 200 crore rupees. Once again, I can see all the panel members on the screen together. Let's take a screenshot. I want a big smile on everyone's face. Come on, let's show the happiness. Let's show the excitement. And here we are getting captured. This is the historical moment, the best day of Anmol India. Well, with this, let me thank everyone once again for being a part of this momentous occasion. Thank you, BSE, for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, stakeholders, our family members, our friends, and the wonderful viewers. Thank you for taking out your precious time and being a part of this event. Thank you once again. Stay safe, stay well. And with this, Anchor Mayuri signing off. Thank you so much.